Alright guys, today we're going to pressure wash the Dragon's frame. Hopefully we'll get some of this dirt and grime off of here. I don't think it's going to get everything off. There's a pretty thick layer of undercoating, rust protection they put on a long time ago, and it's pretty tough. It has flaked off in a lot of places, but there's still a pretty good amount on here. I'm not sure if it's going to come off, but we're going to give it a shot, see what happens. We may end up having to hit it with the wire brush wheel and wire wheel and some other stuff, so this will be a good start. We need to get some of this dirt off of here. A lot of dirt and stuff. I just want to get all this off so we can actually get to some of the nuts and bolts are covered up with dirt and grease. We can't even see them, so I covered up a couple holes. Try to keep the moisture out of the gas tank, try to keep the moisture out of the transmission and out of the power steering. I'll get this all cleaned up and see what happens. Check it out. See if we can get a little more juice out of this one. Big tease. Might have a little more power. Oh man. Well, I didn't even see that. I guess we're gonna have to clean her out. It's gonna be a little wet inside. Guys, I've been spraying this for seems like a couple hours now, and we got a lot off, but there's a ton of protective undercoating that was sprayed on here back in the day, and it's on there. It's on everything, and it's pretty a lot of it did come off, but there's still a lot that's stuck on here, and it's on pretty hard. So I'm not sure how far I want to go with it as far as sandblasting. You know, I was trying to protect the holes in the transmission. I plugged this one up pretty good and didn't even notice this. Jeez, so there's probably some water that got in there. I'm assuming we can drop the pan, clear it out, maybe run some diesel through there and clean it out. What do you guys think? That was a lot of work. Just you know, it was mostly just getting the dirt and whatever loose undercoating was on there. We did get a lot off, but there's still a lot on. I mean, here, look how thick it is. I was hitting this hard. In some places it would come off. In other places it's just, you know, it's on there. I guess that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to stay on there, but I'm pretty sure, like, see where this big chunk came off? There's rust underneath it. So, I mean, if you want to protect the frame against future corrosion, all that's got to come off so we can put a rust inhibitor on it. If we put a rust inhibitor on top of this, it's not going to work because underneath it's rusting. So we might have to have this sandblasted. I'm not sure, vapor blasted or sandblasted, and that's going to be a whole nother day's worth of work. But it might be worth it. I've got time on my hands. I just need to get the blaster. They have that one now. You can hook it to a pressure washer, and then it also, so it uses high pressure water like a vapor blaster, and media, whatever media you put in there, sand or whatever. Or maybe I'll just have somebody come out. Maybe I'll call around and see if I can get a good deal on somebody to come out here and blast this thing for me so we can protect it like it needs to be. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. It's just more money we gotta spend, but I would like to do it right, you know. Get the frame protected from future rust. I mean, it's gonna, even if we left it like this, it'd be fine probably for another 50 years. That's a pretty solid couple beams. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that, and leave me some comments about the transmission. Can we clean it? I got water in there, pretty sure. So gas tank we're gonna pull off anyway, run some diesel and gas through there and get it all cleaned out. Hopefully it's not rusty on the inside. All right guys, stay tuned for the next one. See ya. Oh yeah, we had a little casualty. Sorry, Blue Devil guys. That one just didn't make it through the process. These held up pretty good, so maybe we'll get something new there. Maybe we'll put a CT's garage sticker there. Cool. All right, guys. See ya.